Which painless laser hair removal device is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, I'll help you navigate through the noise and find the best options for you.
Product number 1, INZA IPL hair removal device. First up is the INZA IPL hair removal device. Priced at $81.99, it caught my attention with its ice cooling feature, which is a big deal when you're dealing with hair removal. If you want a device that promises long-lasting results without the hassle of frequent salon visits, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The INZA uses effective IPL technology that zaps hair at its roots, slowing regrowth significantly. With 999,999 flashes, it offers years of use, and you can see up to 95.08% reduction in just 3 weeks if you follow the recommended schedule. That means less time shaving or waxing and more time enjoying smooth skin. Now, some people complained that it needs to be plugged in during use, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for effective hair removal and don't mind being tethered for a session, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're regularly removing hair and want a salon-like experience without leaving home. Skip this one if you prefer a cordless device for more mobility. For the price, it offers great value, making it a solid buy. Now, if the corded feature bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Ubru Laser Hair Removal, priced at $109.99. This device grabbed my attention with its ice cooling technology that cools your skin to 5 degrees Celsius upon contact. If comfort during hair removal is your top priority, this one is definitely worth a look. The Ubru features red light IPL technology that targets hair follicles effectively, ensuring you get long-lasting results while minimizing discomfort. With 9 energy levels to choose from, you can easily adjust the device for precision on smaller areas like your upper lip or bikini line. Plus, it's designed for full body use, so you can cover larger areas like legs and arms without breaking a sweat. However, some users mentioned that it might not work as effectively on very dark skin tones. But here's the thing, if you have light to medium skin with dark hair, this device shines, making it a great option for many. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comfortable hair removal experience at home. Skip it if you have darker skin tones, as it may not provide the best results. Overall, it's a solid investment for the comfort it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for overall performance. Product number 3, Ori IPL Hair Removal Device. Coming in at $59.99, the Ori IPL hair removal device surprised me with its promise of painless sessions. If you're looking for something that delivers comfort without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. This device boasts 999,000 flashes and 5 energy levels, ensuring you have a personalized experience. Users reported that it effectively weakens hair growth, with many seeing visible results in just 3 weeks. It's designed for full body use, making it a convenient option for those tired of constant shaving. Now, some might find that it takes longer to see results compared to more expensive devices, but here's the twist. For the price, it offers a budget-friendly alternative that still gets the job done without the pain. This is perfect for you if you want to try IPL hair removal without a hefty investment. Skip it if you're looking for the fastest results, as it might take a bit longer compared to pricier models. It's a great value for those just starting their hair removal journey. Now, if you're after something with a bit more power, the next product on our list might catch your interest. Product number 4, Nude Flasher Pro. Next up is the Nude Flasher Pro, which is the most expensive on our list at $329. This one caught my attention for its clinical-grade results and advanced features. If you're serious about long-term results and don't mind investing a bit more, this device is a strong contender. What sets Nude apart is its cryo-soothe cooling technology, which keeps your skin cool during treatment, making sessions nearly painless. Plus, it not only removes hair, but can also improve the appearance of fine lines and dark spots, thanks to its anti-aging lens. The the device promises visible results after the first use, which genuinely surprised me. However, some users expressed concerns about the high price. Here's my take. If you're looking for a high-quality, multifunctional device, it might just be worth the splurge. This is perfect for you if you want a premium hair removal solution with added skin benefits. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as it's an investment. But if you're in the market for high performance, it delivers. Now, if you want something effective yet budget-friendly, our final product might just be what you need.
Product number 5, Ubro Laser Hair Removal Device. Finally, we have another solid contender, the Ubro Laser Hair Removal Device priced at $109.99. This caught my eye with its promise of full-body use and a comfortable grip. If you want something that delivers salon-like results without the salon price, this one's a great option to consider. The Ubro features a powerful IPL technology that targets hair follicles effectively, and its 9 energy levels allow you to adjust based on your comfort. With a stylish design and user-friendly operation, it's perfect for at-home use. Plus, it has a cooling function to keep your skin comfortable during treatments. Some users reported that the device requires shaving before use, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you're serious about hair removal, a little prep work is worth it for the results you'll see. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful yet comfortable hair removal experience. Skip this one if you prefer a device that can be used without prior shaving. Overall, it's a great value for anyone serious about hair removal.
So, to wrap it all up, if you're looking for an effective and painless laser hair removal device at home, the Inza and Ubro devices offer great comfort and results at an affordable price. The Orith device is perfect if you want to save some cash, while the Nude Flasher Pro is your go-to for premium results. Each has its strengths, so choose one that fits your needs and start enjoying smooth skin.